Go ahead and start. You know these carpet slidey things they have at the home improvement stores? Well, you can use those for working out. You have to have something like carpet. Most gyms have little carpet areas. So right now Meredith is doing a front lunge with one of these under her foot. She's going to do that for 30 seconds. It's different than doing a regular lunge because it requires a little more motor control. So if you try it without the thingy and try it with the thing, I think it's called a slide disc. I don't remember what these things are called. It's a thing to move furniture around. Okay, then she's going to turn, face towards the camera. 30 seconds of a side lunge. Doing all right?
Yeah.
So same thing. Plant leg is planted, she's lunging over it. Slide leg is sliding on the carpet slide dealing. You can also do a 5-pound plate. I have the smooth ones here. Probably out of the camera, but that's okay. Sometimes we use a 5-pound plate until we found these things. That works pretty well too. It's a little harder to slide. We also have a hockey slide board, but that's a whole other story. So then she's going to turn towards me again. She's going to do a stiff-legged deadlift. We could not figure out how to do it with the slide thing, so she's just going to do a regular one. So in this brief little 3-exercise, 30 seconds per exercise circuit, she's hitting quads, she's hitting hammies, she's hitting inner and outer thigh, all in one shot. If it's too easy doing this for 30 seconds, you can up it to 60 seconds, or you can hold weight, which we will not demonstrate because we don't want to torture poor Meredith. So after 30 seconds of this, she would take a break and then start the whole thing over with the other side. I don't know if you need to see that because it makes the videos a little too long, and you guys have told us you like them short. So make sure this is appropriate for you. Always check with your doctor first. I don't know why I'm still holding this. We'll see you next video.